Once you surrender to God, God will create his moves in your life. God will create his directions. Everything that you want to do will be easily. Where the hand of God is, everything will work. Bwana Yesu says, you don't need to struggle. You don't need to fight anybody. You don't need to compete with anybody. You don't need to struggle against anybody. You need only to stand in the gap of God, in the position of God, in the place where God has placed you, and you will make it because God will be with you. You'll be able to run away and resist the devil, and he will free from you. Once you resist the devil has the capacity of fleeing from you. Anakutoroka tu. Unaenda baka unajaribu unamwambia uko wapi? Unasikia ametoroka. Unasikia tu ni kutoroka na toroka. Because of what? You have the presence of God, you have the power of God, and you've got authority of God with you. Amen. Therefore, in verse number 8, nasema, draw near to God and he will draw near to you. So had you not submitted to God, you can never be able to draw near to God. Therefore, God will never draw near to you. So there is a gap between us and the devil and God. There is a gap. Kuna mwanya mkubwa sana. That is why he's telling you, draw near to God, and God will draw near to you. So it is not a one way. It is a two way. As you make a step forward, he makes a step forward coming towards you. So you are going to meet at a point. And that is why I normally tell you, do not worry over a situation that you are going through. Just be righteous with God. Just be closer to God. Just do the will of God. Be that punctual to God. And God will create a position to embrace you. Because when God, the step you make towards God, then he makes another step. Mind you, if you are 1,000 steps away from God, those 1,000 steps, you have to make them. So nikikuja nikuombee hapa na kitu ikosa kufanyika leo, kesho you are in the process. Usha answer to moving closer to God. As he is moving closer, you are also moving closer. At some point mutakutana na atakuembrace, na atakushika, atakuinua, atakubariki. So these things that we do, the things of faith, the religious faith, we are doing all these things in faith that God has been working with us and he will be working. So therefore, when you draw near to God, he draws near to you.